Is that pulsing sound you're hearing in your ear dangerous? That whooshing or pulsing sound, like hearing your heartbeat in your ear, is called pulsatile tinnitus. And yes, it can sometimes be a warning sign. It's often caused by changes in blood flow or pressure near the ear or brain. Some causes are harmless, but others, like high brain pressure, narrowed arteries or veins, or vascular malformations, can be serious if left unchecked. So while the sound itself isn't always dangerous, the cause might be. If it's new, persistent, or just concerning, get it checked. You deserve clarity, not guesswork.